Let's do a walkthrough of this 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. The front entrance here. Really nice fireplace there, gas. There's vaulted ceilings. First thing you see when you come in is on your left, you got a good sized office here, plenty of light. And if you continue forward, you got the dining area. Little pet door there, and the door to the backyard patio. And the kitchen, pretty nice sized kitchen. It's got the shelves up top for decorations. Pretty good counter space, room for a nice big fridge. Let's come through here, we'll get to the laundry room. And show you the garage real quick. Good size, maybe 2.5 car garage. And swing to the right here and we'll go to the master. It's got a wireless thermostat so you can control it with your Alexa or Google. Nice tall ceiling to the master. Again, plenty of light. This is kind of a master suite. It's separated from the other rooms on the other side of the house, which would be all the way down there. Got a nice sized bathtub, walk-in shower. Two vanities, good sized closet. Of course, the commode. Yeah, plenty of room in here for a king-size bed and new furniture, maybe a chair. Put your shoes on. Go straight through. And here's that second bath. It's full bath, the tub, obviously. And then you have a bedroom on each side. We'll start by going right here. Bedrooms are about the same size. Normal size closets for a 3-bedroom house. And if you're interested in this house, we could probably talk to them about doing something with the carpet. It's got the vinyl floor, which will hold up real well, but you can always change that too. But this looks pretty good. I don't think I'd be too worried about it. All right, if you have any questions, shoot me an email, showmeidaho.net. Showmeidaho@yahoo.com is my email, and I appreciate you taking the time. Have a good weekend.